This is a very important discussion which is on the Kulliyāt in logic. They're known as the five universals. Now, the five universals, they provide a systematic way to classify and categorize knowledge, which is essential for reasoning and understanding the natural world. Why? Because it's essential for reasoning, you need it for kalām. Very important for kalām. And essentially, kalām is a system of refuting arguments that are posed against creed of Islam. Okay? And therefore, because the early opponents to Islam engaged in logical reasoning and engaged in philosophy and engaged in mantiq, the ulama of the mantiq and philosophy became intertwined in books of kalam. So if you want to untangle kalam today, you essentially need these prerequisites. Okay, so this is why it's important that these kind of discussions are had and you're learning them along the way, because they're going to really help you to untangle areas of works of kalam while studying those books. So the system, this system of the universals, it was deeply integrated into philosophical works like Avicenna's Shifa, Ibn Sina's Shifa, Farabi's works of logic as well, integrated these, and it influenced scholars in both the Muslim world and Western traditions as well. So the five universals were then essentially transmitted into the Latin West through translations of works from the Muslim world, like Ibn Sina, etc. And this influenced medieval European philosophy and scholasticism as well, yeah.